shared my screen. So now this is it. We're trying to link JavaScript and the Bootstrap JavaScript and the jQuery file. So I said, first of all, you do scripts.
Open the element.
When you do script, now say sRC, that's source. Now, first of all, we want to target the file. The file is inside the JS folder. So we say JS slash, this is the file here, jQuery. Type it very well though, because if you make mistake, it will not work. Dash 1.11.3.min.js. That's the file. Then, if you've written that jQuery file, the next thing you do now is to link the Bootstrap file. That is script again. And you say sRC js slash, this is the file, bootstrap.js, B-O-O, bootstrap.js. If you have done this, check your browser. That drop down will be working now.
Yes, but working.
Is it working now?
Yes, working.
All right. So we have the drop down working now. Let me reload this guy. So the drop down should be working now. Is there any magic there? There's no magic. Everything is just simple codes and doing the right thing.
Yeah, that's the idea of science.
Another thing and something else.
So now we want to start fixing our navs. If you look, what we have here, we have home, programs, enrollment, about, testimony, courses, and contact. So we have to start fixing them now. So first of all, let's scroll down to our nav. We don't need this nav background. Remove it. I hope you saw what I removed. This nav background, this place now. This guy, we don't need it. Yeah.
The A.
Yeah, the A that has the nav bar, we don't need it. Remove it. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, this home now, this home,
Yes, sir.
if you see, there is something like span. We don't need that span. Look at this span. I highlighted from where the span started and where it ended. I've removed it. Remove this span.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
Look at where this span started and look at where it ended. Look at what I highlighted. Highlight yours and remove it. Beside the home, remove everything span. Scroll down.
Let me just go and wait for the video later.
Scroll down. This li here and this form, this li, you know what li means, right? It's a list. Yeah, the li that has disabled in it. Look at it. This one that has disabled inside. Yeah, if you see li number item inside there is disabled. Look at my screen. I don't need it, please. Remove
So
it.
if you delete plus the entire plus the last from the nav item.
Please, you guys should follow what I'm doing. Then this form, if you see this form here, this form that is at the bottom, down, before the closing nav. Look at my screen. Everything I'm saying, I'm showing you on my screen. So it's not as if I'm saying something else. Look at my screen. We remove this form. We don't need it. I've removed it. So what we have now, we have home, link, and this drop down. So you can space this guy so that you understand. Space it so that you know where it starts and where it ends. Most of you didn't indent your code, so you have big issues. See my code, this li starts here and ends here. This one starts here and ends here. This one starts here and ends here. So I can easily trace my code. See? So I can easily trace whatever I'm doing. But if you didn't indent your own, if you left it the way you pasted it from that place you copied it, it will be so scattered you won't be able to trace it. That's the reason why you see code will be going inside, it will come outside, it will be looking like a tree. That's why we indent so that you'll be able to trace your code. Hope you understand.
Yeah.
All right. So are we good?
We are good. Yes, we are good.
Check your browser. Let's see what we have. So we are supposed to have just home, link, and drop down. We have removed that form and all those stuff. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's continue. This link here, in this other guy, the name is program. So change it to programs and save. Then this drop down we have here, in ours, it's courses. So change this drop down you're seeing here and the name should be courses. Now, inside our drop down, we have HTML, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Let's just work with these three. Let's not add all this stuff. HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap for JavaScript. So inside here, this is it. The first one is HTML. The second one is Bootstrap 4. And the third one is JavaScript. Now, you see this div here, before that JavaScript, before the last one, remove it. I'm showing it on my screen. Before I remove it, I'm lost. Remove it. Take it out. I've removed mine and save. So if you check your code, your browser again, you see home, programs, and courses. Courses has HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Is there any magic there? Why are you people quiet?
They work, they do them. Yes, sir. Everything
Yeah,
is
just the
there's
work
no magic.
Okay.
I've done it, sir.
All right.
HTML, Bootstrap 4, JavaScript.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together, Papa.
We day here, no worry.
So this person has started. Who is this person?
See, I just tried to delete. I
Abolale.
just tried an option on the screen. Jesus, any topic.
Abolale.
Let me stop it.
Abolale.
So Wait, are you the one doing
This one, Sha, not the other.
it? But you're the one that did this one now. This
Yes.
write up.
Mm.
Hey, okay, that means.
I was looking for options. Sorry. It's not. It's an option on this Zoom. That pen should there.
Okay. Now I know. I've been very scared. Though. So let's continue. Let's continue. So now we have home programs courses. So we want to add other stuff. So just copy this guy. Copy this guy. Paste it, and paste it again. So if you check your browser, you see programs. So just change for the program. The next one is enrollment. The next one is about. Yeah. I'm coming. The next one is testimonies. I'm coming.
Doing what you did.
Yeah. Who is talking, please?
Yeah, Francis.
Okay. First time Francis is having issues. Okay.
Yes, after doing what you did, I am having the home program courses.
Yeah.
But the problem is it has moved up by one, like it is on the same line with the Bootstrap class 101 MD.
So it's the same.
Like it has shifted up by one.
Shifted up by one. Like, I don't understand. Can you see my screen?
We can check in code.
Just let me show you my code. Look at my code. Share the drop down. Hello. Look at the part that handles the drop down. So look at it very well.
I can hear you.
You guys, your network is bad. Stop using Glow.
Airtel has been bad for since yesterday and today.
Oh, sorry. I'm waiting for you to fix your code.
Yes, boss. Me, I'm true.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm sure, sir.
So you guys have the same stuff on my screen, right? You have the same guy,
sir.
right? And your code is working.
Yeah.
Okay. So your courses has HTML, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and all these guys, right? So I think we are not going to proceed to this other part. But before we proceed, can someone tell me what is the division of this guy and this guy? This one is what and this one is what? Let me know a smart person that can answer.
Boss, come again.
Here we say this is 3, 8, I mean 3, 7. So here will be what? This guy and this guy. What's the division?
So you can use margin should be
No margin.
That's
very correct. That's very correct. It's 8 and 4.
Why should I participate if it's 8? Then the image is 4.
Yes, that's very correct. It's 8, 4. You have a good sense of calculation, even without just looking at it. Yeah, it's 8, 4. So we'll continue from here tomorrow. I think all these images are in that file. So if any of you can surprise me by finishing this website, it will be cool.
All right, thank you very
how
much.
How we get the website now? Because
you will see it in the video. When I post the video, whatever is happening here, you see it in the video on YouTube.
Thank you very much for today.
Can you please put the website in your full screen? Let me just screen grab it.
You can't see the full screen of the website now. Okay, but you can't see it. You see it in the video on YouTube. Just check out the video. You see it there.
I beg, just wait. Leave am like this. I beg.
Okay.
Wait.
Why should I participate? Lorem ipsum, and the image is already in our folder.
Yeah. So
then
you guys,
there's a marquee resolving those texts.
yeah.
So
And the text has
the blue color.
The text. You know what we use in getting this color, right?
Yes.
I want to see someone that will surprise me, like finish this site before the class tomorrow. Wow, that would be
I'm not rushing to surprise anybody.
Meet the mentor.
You say?
Okay.
You say?
I'm not in a hurry to surprise you.
Please surprise. If you don't know how to do research, you can't win in this game of web design and development, because what I'm teaching you is the basics. I won't come and start telling you how to design. Let me show you this site. I won't start telling you how to design.
Please, can you scroll to the footer of the page?
Yeah, you see this site.
Capture it.
You see this site now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This was built with Bootstrap. But you have to be creative enough to do something like this. You see this stuff that is moving up. See these free withdrawals. I have a site that I use something like that. Localhost. Let's see. Localhost. I think Francis worked on this site, BAP. Let it load. This is a banking site I built. Now, are you seeing how these guys are moving?
Victoria.
So
yes, I remember this very well. Bro.
Yeah, you remember this site very well, right?
Very well, yeah.
So you see this stuff. It's the same thing they did on that place, on that other guy. So you have to be creative. You have to be able to do research. I'm not actually saying you should compete, but I want you to research. Let me see someone who can come up with a complete website of what you are trying to achieve. With that, you're good.
Please, can you go back to that our target website?
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I have a whole lot of tabs. Yeah. Yeah, this one.
Okay, please kindly scroll down so that I'll pick. All right. If it is offering full stack web master blah blah blah.
Boss, can you just scroll from the top now? Let me record.
Yeah, I have it. Thank you.
You guys will watch this thing in the video on YouTube.
Yes, you can always pause.
So please, any question for the class we have today? So let's try finish that before the class ends. Questions?
I thank you very much, Cassie. Thank you very much. I have
all right.
I'm very satisfied.
You don't have any question?
No.
All right. Copy this bootstrap CSS, cut it and put it at this top before the jQuery. Let's see whether that drop down will still work.
Okay.
Put the bootstrap.js at the top. Let the jQuery be at the down. Let's see whether that drop down will still work. If it works, tell me.
No, it's not working.
Now, this is one lesson you all have to learn. jQuery must be imported before any Bootstrap.js because it is from this jQuery file that this Bootstrap.js is referencing. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Very noted. Control Shift Enter.
So reload back and it will be working now. So I think with this, so ask other questions, please. Okay, and that ends the class for today. Thank you everyone for participating. I love you guys.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Amen. Thank you for your time. May God remember.
Amen. Amen. Someone was about saying something. What do you want to say, please?
I know. I just say thanks.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Fine.
Hello?